Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Sonia, aka Natural Curly Vegan. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you find what you're looking for right here. I'm showing you how to make a vegan strawberry, no sugar shortcake. Yummy. This strawberry shortcake has no sugar. I only use dates to sweeten it. But I want you to know, if you aren't big on sweetness, this recipe, just as it is, will be perfect for you. But I have a major sweet tooth. I like frosting on my cake. Lots of it. But my husband, who doesn't like so much frosting, he really liked this shortcake. In fact, it's not very sweet. You could even eat this for breakfast. So in this recipe, if you are like me, wherever I say to add dates, add more. If you are dealing with candida or trying to be off of sugar, this recipe is also for you. It's gonna help that sugar craving, and it's completely good for you. So I did go strawberry picking yesterday at Eno River Farms in Hillsborough, North Carolina. And let me tell you, those strawberries were so sweet. They're huge and they're really, really good. I'm gonna go back in at least a week, I hope to anyways. But I used those fresh strawberries in this strawberry shortcake recipe. I hope you like it, and you definitely should use fresh strawberries because here in North Carolina, it's strawberry season. But just know this, I've never really been a big strawberry shortcake fan, but when my husband said, "Why don't you make strawberry shortcake?" I was all in. So here it is, a healthy version of vegan strawberry shortcake. Settle in. I hope you like it.